Class 10th, Chapter 8, Introduction to Trigonometry. Very easy, very important. First, we will understand the basic concepts of the lesson. Then we will move to the main exercise. Now, first I want to explain what is the meaning of the word trigonometry. Trigonometry is an important branch of mathematics. The word trigonometry is derived from the Greek words tri, meaning three, gon, meaning sides, and metron, meaning measure. In fact, trigonometry is a study of relationships between the sides and angles of a triangle. Now, in this chapter, we shall study some ratios of the sides of a right angle triangle. Okay. So, I am going to explain first what is a right angle triangle. Then we will move to the main ratios. It's very easy. So, just pay attention now. Now, as we know that this is a right angle triangle, A, B and C. Okay. Angle B is 90 degree. What is AC called? AC is called hypotenuse. And these are the two arms. Okay. If I consider angle A, then BC becomes opposite side. AB is the adjacent side. AC remains the same. If I consider angle C, pay attention, then AB is the opposite side. BC is the adjacent side. Now you must be knowing about the Pythagoras theorem. So by using Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Very important. अब ध्यान देना है आपको. Now we have to study about the ratios sin A, then cos A, tan A, cot A, cosec A and sec A. ठीक है. Once again, sin A, cos A, tan A, cot A, बहुत easy है. Cosec A and sec A. First, I am moving to sin A. Sin A is the side opposite to the angle A. Side opposite to the angle A. We have taken angle A as theta. Then this becomes opposite. This becomes adjacent and this is your H. Okay. O, A, H. So the ratio is O upon H. Opposite side. Opposite side to angle A. Okay. Upon hypotenuse. ये आ गया समझ में? O upon H. Next I am going to cos A. Cos A is side A upon H. That is side adjacent to angle A. ठीक है. और upon hypotenuse. ठीक है. Now we are going to the third one, tan A. Tan A is the ratio of sin A upon cos A. So what is sin A? O upon H upon A upon H. Now what we will do? O upon H remain as it is. Denominator H upon A. So we get O upon A. Tan A is O upon A. Now cot A. Cot A is reciprocal of tan A. So the answer will be cos A upon sin A. ठीक है. तो it becomes, what is cos A? चलो बोलो. A upon H upon, equal sign will be here. A O upon H. चलो चेंज करो. A upon H into H अपॉन O, तो आ गया ना रेसिप्रोकल. एनी डाउट? साइन A, O अपॉन H, cos A अपॉन H, एडजेसेंट साइड. tan A, sin A upon cos A, cot A is reciprocal of tan A. Now we come to cosec A. Cosec A is reciprocal of sin A. So the answer will be H upon O. And sec A is reciprocal of cos A. See the relationship, H upon A. This is when we take angle A as theta. Now I am going to explain. I will take angle C as theta. Okay. A is clear to everyone? Okay. Now I am going to explain with angle. Then I will go to the exercise. It will become very easy for you. देखो A, B and C. ठीक है. अब मैं इसको थीटा ले रही हूँ. When I am taking angle C as theta, this becomes opposite side. This becomes adjacent side, and this is as usual hypotenuse. Chalo. Now who will tell me what is sin C? Sin C will be O upon H. What is your O? AB upon AC. ठीक है. चलो. Cos C will be A upon H. तो A क्या है तुम्हारा? BC upon AC. चलो. Tan C will be sin C upon cos C. So it becomes AB upon BC. Cot C will be opposite of tan C. So it will be BC upon AB. Are you following? Chalo. Sec A will be reciprocal of cos C. So AC upon BC. And cosec A will be reciprocal of sin C, so it will be AC upon AB. Now I am going to move to exercise 8.1. ठीक है. अब हम जा रहे हैं exercise 8.1 पे. So pay attention everyone. First we will read question number 1. Okay. I hope the fundamentals are clear to you all. Chalo. In triangle ABC, right angle at B, AB is 24, BC is 7. Determine first one, sin A and cos A. ठीक है. चलो राइट एंगल ड्रॉ कर लें. विच राइट एंगल? ट्राइंगल ए बी सी. चलो ए बी सी 90 डिग्री. ए बी इज 24 cm, बी सी इज 7 cm एंड ए सी इज मिसिंग. नो प्रॉब्लम. सो फर्स्ट वी राइट डाउन. देखो कैसे लिखेंगे हम. इन ट्राइंगल ए बी सी व्हाट इज गिवन टू यू? एंगल बी इज 90 डिग्री. AB is 24 centimeter, BC is 7 centimeter and AC is missing. No problem. Now we are going to use by which theorem? Pythagoras. Yes, very good. By Pythagoras theorem, chalo bolo. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So what is your AB? 24 square plus 7 square. 24 square क्या रहेगा? 576. You should know it has to be on the tip of the tongue. So the calculations goes very fast. आ गया? First I am doing, second आपको करना है. ठीक है. चलो. I am going to sin A. Sin A की फॉर्मूला. ओके. ये sin A है तुम्हारा. तो अपोजिट, एडजेसेंट और एच हो गया. साइन ए इज ओ अपॉन एच. तो ओ क्या है तुम्हारा? 7 अपॉन 25. कॉस ए इज ए अपॉन एच. तो व्हाट इज योर ए? 24 upon 25. Any doubt? Okay, now we will take sine C as theta. When sine C as theta, AB becomes opposite. I am making it square. This becomes adjacent and this is your H as usual. It will be same. चलो अब बोलो sine C O upon H. First we write down the formula. Now what is O? 24. H will remain the same. ठीक है, चलो cos C A upon H. अब तुम्हारा A क्या हो गया? A is your 7 upon 25. I hope question number 1 is clear to everyone. आराम से करेंगे, but you have to repeat 2 times so that it will be more easy for you all. Now we are going to question number 2. In question number 2, in figure 8.13, see the figure. PQ is given, PR is given, but QR is missing. ठीक है, so we write down in triangle. Which triangle? PQR. ठीक है, angle Q is 90 degree. Okay, और PQ कितना है? 12 cm. And PR is how much? 13 cm. What is missing? Ask the question to yourself और लिखते जाओ. Okay, and what else we have to find out? Calculate 10p minus cot r. Okay, so first I will draw the figure. PQR. PQR. This is your 12 cm. This is your 13 cm. So first I will find out QR. पहला step क्या रहेगा? To find QR by which theorem? Yes, by Pythagoras theorem. Theorem I'll write in short. Will do? Okay. PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. चलो PR is how much? 13. PQ कितना है? 12. ठीक है, चलो 13 square 169 माइनस डायरेक्ट आई एम राइटिंग नाउ. A square माइनस B square भी कर सकते हो. सो इट विल बी 25 इज इक्वल टू QR square. तो 5 cm इज इक्वल टू QR. आज समझ पड़ी बताने. दिस इज योर. नाउ see the question. 10p minus cot r. 10p के बदले ये पहले theta we have taken. When this is theta, this will be opposite, adjacent and h. ठीक है, चलो 10p O upon A. This you have to learn by heart. O क्या है? 5 upon 12. Next is cot r. Up I am taking this as angle. When this is theta, this is opposite. This is I am writing in square. H will remain same. ठीक है. Cot R will be A upon O. तो what is your A? 5. चलो O देख के बताओ. 12. ठीक है. Now we write down the question. What is asked? 10p minus cot r. Put the values. 5 upon 12 minus 5 upon 12. So answer becomes 0. ठीक है, आराम से देख लो पहले all the steps. If any doubt, please ask me. Now we will move to the third one. ठीक है, अंडरस्टूड? कोई डाउट है? थर्ड क्वेश्चन सेज साइन ए. पहले क्वेश्चन आराम से लिख लो. साइन ए इज 3 upon 4. ओके, सो कैलकुलेट cos A and tan A. चलो स्टार्ट करिए. Sine A is, first we draw a rough figure. A, B and C. ठीक है, ये एंगल लिया हुआ है, तो दिस विल बी अपोजिट, A adjacent और ये H. Now what is sine A? O upon H. ठीक है, तो वैल्यू विल पुट 3 and 4 and we have to find out AB. चलो, in triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree, AB is question mark, BC is 3 cm and AC is 4 cm. Let us start the solution. By Pythagoras theorem, चलो बोलो पाइथागोरस थ्योरम, डायग्राम देख के, AC स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू AB स्क्वायर प्लस BC स्क्वायर, 4 स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू, आ रहा है समझ में, प्लस 3 स्क्वायर 16, डायरेक्ट लिख दो मैं, ओके. सो व्हाट इज 16 माइनस 7? 9, 7 आएगा ना, नो प्रॉब्लम. तो विल गेट √7. ठीक है, अब √7 आ गया, अंडरस्टूड. नाउ चलो, नाउ cos A. व्हाट इज cos A? A अपॉन H. अब तुम्हारा A कितना आया? √7, तो √7 अपॉन 4. नाउ tan A, we know that tan A is the ratio of sin A upon cos A. चलो sin A કેટલું છે તમારું? 3 upon 4 और this will be upon √7 upon 4. तो डायरेक्ट ऑल्सो वी कैन राइट, जब प्रैक्टिस हो जाएगी तब डायरेक्ट लिखना. ठीक है, 3 अपॉन √7. देख लो एक बार आराम से. ओके, नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. What is question number 4? 4 says that 15 cot A, 15 cot A is equal to 8. ठीक है, तो फाइंड sin A और sec A. Now we should be thorough with the ratios of 10 cot sin. चलो, I'll use this first. 15 cot A is equal to 8 है, तो cot A कितना हो गया? 8 अपॉन 15. 8 अपॉन 15 का मतलब है एडजेसेंट अपॉन अपोजिट. एंड देन वी गो टू द रफ डायग्राम. बिना डायग्राम के तो आप नहीं कर सकते हो. A, B एंड C. नाउ A लिया है तो दिस विल बी अपोजिट, एडजेसेंट एंड हाइपोटेन्यूज. सो वी राइट डाउन द वैल्यूज नाउ. A is your 8 and opposite is your 15, so H is missing. Okay, so by Pythagoras theorem, चलो बोलो पाइथागोरस थ्योरम. AC स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू AB स्क्वायर प्लस BC स्क्वायर. AC is missing. AB is how much? 8 और ये होगा 15. 8 square is 64. 64 and 15 square is 225. So how much we get now? Add करो. 9, 8. Oh, we got the square root of 289. So AC will be 17. समझ पड़ी? चलो હવે મને આપો sin A. Sin A is O upon H. So O is your 15 and H is your 17. Then we have sec A. Sec A is the reciprocal of H upon A. So 17 upon 8. 5 questions I have done. So you are requested, 4 questions you have done. 5th one in the next video I will do. We are requested to repeat same 2 times.